So hey, I just got pleasantly surprised by this package that I just picked up today, and I was not aware that I did not receive this yet. So this has been a delayed package from Influencer, and see exactly what this is. I know I had submitted something a while back, but I was not, and I know I never did receive it, so this is probably what it is. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe it's a pillowcase. Let me see. This is like a Christmas surprise. Okay, so this is what I received from Influencer. It is a pillowcase. So it's like, I'll read what's on here. It's like an 8-hour beauty treatment every night. So it's so funny because last night I completely forgot to put on my bonnet, and then I had to get up and go in the bathroom where I have it hanged up in the bathroom to get it to put on, because I normally always sleep with a head bonnet, and I completely forgot. So I say that to say that if you have, this is I believe silk, if I'm not mistaken, it's a silk, yeah, it's a silk pillowcase. So this would actually help if you forget those days where you don't sleep with a bonnet. How do I open this? Oh my goodness, it's hard to open. Real quick, it says, real results, real benefits. In just 4 nights, clinically shown to visibly improve skin hydration, texture, smoothness, radiance, and the appearance of fine lines. I'm going to try to open this. Oh, they got this really glued. Look at that. It is sealed tight. BRB. I have been working up a sweat. I've been working up a sweat to get this open. I had the scissors in hand. I had to sit down. I worked up a sweat. I feel like I need to take this sweatshirt off. And when I had finally laid it on my lap, look what it just flipped. Oh, now it won't open. It just easily, what? It just easily slipped open. I was trying to open it from the bottom, but it opened. All you had to do was lift this up. So here you have it. I love, this is my colors, baby. This is my colors if you did not know. And so I am going to get this open. I hope this is as easy as, gosh. Oh my gosh, my nails. Okay, so here you have it. I don't know if there's 1 or 2, so I want to be careful. And then on the inside it says, sweet dreams. The better you care for your slip, the better it will care for you. So that's what it says on the inside. Drop that there, and this is what it looks like. It's actually 1 slip cover, and it's a standard, it's for a standard pillowcase. So, and it feels nice and silky soft. So I'm looking forward to this for the holidays and for the weekend, just to be able to get some good sleep, because girlfriend needs it, okay? And if you're interested, I will be posting a review on Influenster on my profile page. So we will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.